To find the right Ninja blender for your kitchen, determine your priorities when it comes to power rating, features, and included accessories. From simple personal blenders and food prep choppers to multitasking blender processor combo systems, there's sure to be a fit for your needs, counter space, and budget. Watch the full video and choose the best Ninja blenders in each category. You must subscribe to the channel before watching the video. If you want to watch such videos, please like, share and comment. Here is number 1, Ninja SS151 TWASD Blender Duo. Twist the tamper to push ingredients down toward the high-speed blades for thick and even results. Hybrid edge blades assembly blends, chops and crushes at high speed to deliver better breakdown of frozen whole fruits and veggies, nuts, seeds, and ice for smoother blends. The power-dense motor maintains high speed to deliver uninterrupted performance and is designed for heavy food loads. Built-in twist tamper plus high-speed blades to power through tough ingredients with 1600 peak watt power for no stalling, no stirring, no shaking to get the perfect texture. Easily make extractions, smoothies, frozen drinks, spreads and bowls with the touch of a button. Easy to clean base and blender with dishwasher safe parts. Number 2, Ninja SS101 Smoothie Bowl Maker. 14 ounces. Smoothie bowl maker with built-in tamper blends and powers through frozen foods with less liquid for perfectly thick smoothie bowls, nut butters, and blender ice cream. Powerful 1200 peak watt power-dense motor that powers through heavy loads without stalling or the need to stir or shake. 6 programs for one-touch blend, pulse, smoothies, extractions, bowls, and spreads. Easy to clean base and blender with dishwasher safe parts. 2 blender cups and 1 bowl are easy to take on the go or store. 2 single-serve blending options with the nutrient extraction cup and smoothie bowl maker in just 1 motor base. Number 3, Ninja BN801 Plus Kitchen System. The Ninja Professional Plus Kitchen System with Auto IQ features a new modern design and more functionality than Ninja's original kitchen system. Ninja Total Crushing Blades give you perfectly crushed ice for your smoothies and frozen drinks with 1400 peak watts of professional power. The 8-cup precision processor bowl provides precision processing for even chopping and smooth purees. 5 preset Auto IQ programs allow you to create smoothies, frozen drinks, nutrient extractions, chopped mixtures, and dough, all at the touch of a button. 2 24-ounces single-serve cups with spout lids make it easy to take delicious nutrient-rich smoothies on the go. Number 4, Ninja BL610 Professional 72-ounce Blender. The 72-ounce professional blender pitcher is excellent for making frozen drinks and creamy smoothies for the entire family. 64 ounces max liquid capacity. 000 watt motor-based professional blender and 72-ounce total crushing pitcher with lid. Total crushing technology delivers unbeatable power with blades that pulverize and crush through ice, whole fruits, and vegetables in seconds. 1000 watts of professional power can crush ice and break down any tough ingredient. Blast ice into snow in seconds and blend your favorite ingredients into delicious resort-style frozen drinks. Pitcher is BPA-free and dishwasher safe, making cleanup just as simple and easy as using the blender. Number 5, Ninja BL660 Compact Smoothie. Professional performance with 3 manual speeds, pulse, and the single-serve function for to-go cups. 1100 watt motor powers through the toughest ingredients and pulverizes ice to snow in seconds for creamy frozen drinks, smoothies, sauces, and more. Total crushing pitcher is perfect for creating creamy frozen drinks and smoothies for the whole family or entertaining guests. 64 ounces max liquid capacity. Chop fresh ingredients evenly without any mush. Effortlessly mince, chop, grind, and blend a variety of ingredients for easy meal preparations and recipes. All parts are BPA-free and dishwasher safe. Includes a 28 recipe inspiration guide to get you started with easy-to-prepare smoothies, frozen drinks, sauces, and more. Number 6, Ninja BL770 Mega Kitchen System. The 72 ounces. Total crushing pitcher pulverizes ice to snow in seconds for creamy frozen drinks and smoothies with a powerful 2+ horsepower motor. 8-cup food processor bowl provides perfect, even chopping and makes up to 2 pounds of dough in just 30 seconds. Utilize 1500 watts of performance power to truly customize your drink-making experience. Stacked blade assembly for the pitcher, dough blade and chopping blade for the processor bowl, and Nutri Ninja blades for single-serve cups. Dishwasher safe and BPA-free parts. Hand washing, wash the containers, lids, and blade assemblies in warm, soapy water. Handle blade assemblies with care to avoid contact with sharp edges. Rinse and air dry thoroughly.